So it's not springing lock, so it just opens. So what you have to do is remove these screws, and that will then just come off. You'll see a screw here, just take that out, and then this cover just comes off. It'll then just pull off, and then all you do is remove them two screws and the door will come off. It makes it easy for you to work on. You can see the housing that's cracked, that's what's causing the problem. So we see that there should be another piece here that's now broken off, which that sits onto. So what I need to do is make something that bridges here, and then that can stop on top. Right, so I've got what, 1.5mm aluminium strip, steel or whatever you can use, and I've cut it down so that it can be glued into position like that, and then that spring can sit on top. If you're wondering what that is, that's the pin had broken, so I glued that on, and that's what I'm going to do with this. See if that works. So what I've done is I've cut a little bit of aluminium strip, 1-2mm, and you can see, and I'm going to glue that in position. The spring sits on top, and now that's fixed. So I'll glue that on, it's done. And there we have it, works fine.